Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video that kind of made this look like a neon sign. And then one of my viewers or subscribers gave me the idea if you would blur it a little bit, it might look a little more real. So I just took that same color and I went to the interactive fill tool, did basically the same thing, elliptical, put it in the center. I played around with this one quite a bit, making some darkness to it, because I learned when we fuzzy this, it's going to change it up quite a bit. So if we're going to go to effects and blur and Gaussian blur, it really takes away some of the color, but it does blur it up a little bit. See, it almost makes it a purple. But you can always go back to the interactive fill tool and change, maybe put another white real close to that first white. You could bring this in, put another blue in there. That's too strong. But do something like that. I'm going to make it a little bit brighter. Anyway, and then we're going to use that. Now, it doesn't fit object to path as good for some reason. So before I put 25, I'm putting 23. Because it has something to do with the fuzziness is not letting it, it's putting those too close together. One thing neat about object to path, you can move things around. So now let's take this, and you know what? I actually like my other one better that I made earlier. Let me back up here. Hope I didn't go too far. And let's use this one. Holding down the shift to select my path and hit apply. And it's just a little bit fuzzy. Takes a little while. And if you were going to move this for sure, you'd really want to rotate it from an axis that's down in here. But for the video, this is good. And you could rotate a little bit, make it look more real. But that doesn't really matter. And then take away your line and then bring this black box in here. And it really let me make a duplicate of that. Put it back over the original. And see, I didn't even remove the line. But that does look pretty neon-y, like it's really neon. Anyway, hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.